These old metal Nerf bars tend to rust underneath the pads here, and what you need to do is just they're easy to take off. Now these I don't have the clips to replace them, but I'm going to go ahead and put some well, I'm going to put something on there. I'm not exactly sure exactly what I'm going to put on there, but I'm going to go ahead and do that. I should buy the clips, but anyway, here you go. Take it off, and they just pull off, you know, like that one. See? So just take them off, and take a grinder and grind all that, or a brush, and take it all the way down and get all the rust. And what you do is after you do that, you put some of this stuff on there. Leave it on there to kill the rust. It should be, you know, ground down pretty well. And then put some of this stuff. Leave it on there, and then come back and put some Rustoleum paint on there. Well, actually, you should get some paint let me see. Get some of this stuff, Rustoleum Rust Reformer, and spray it on there after you remove that stuff. And here's the other one. Same deal here, you know. Again, they tend to rust real bad underneath the pads. So you need to do that. Same thing. And then come back and put some rust reformer after you clean all that off. And should leave it on there at least 20 minutes to kill that rust. And then come back and put a coat of rust reformer. And if you want, you can put another coat and then put a coat of paint on it. And that should take care of it. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do here. I'm probably, well, I'm not sure. Anyway, you need to do this once in a while because it's going to, you're going to lose pads, one thing, and the other thing is, you know, just keep that rust off. Even if you go and buy the clips and put them back on, that's fine. But you need to do this once in a while before they really get really badly pitted and or put holes in there. Then that water's going to get in there and rust the bottom side. And you don't want that. So you need to do this once in a while. Now, to put these things back on, if you don't have any other choice, get yourself some of these number 10 self-tapping screws. And if you look at this, see, they're flat and there you don't leave anything. Look at that, see? It's even. And it is, I mean, it is really tight in there, see? That thing is not going anywhere. So that's your solution if you don't have the clips available. And with this, I mean, it's really tight in there. It's going to keep it nice and keep that water out of there. So anyway, that's an alternative right there.